Once again, we're staying in the interface.dwg file, and we've got some really cool navigation interface tools in the newer versions of AutoCAD. Now, bear in mind, these tools are only available in the 2024 and 2025 versions of AutoCAD, but they're incredibly useful. And what they allow you to do is navigate AutoCAD a little bit quicker, a little bit more effectively. It saves you a few mouse clicks here and there. And for me, when I'm using AutoCAD all the time, reducing that number of mouse clicks to do something is always a good option. Now, when you're running AutoCAD 2024 or AutoCAD 2025, you'll notice up here, just underneath the ribbon, top left, there's a little, what they call hamburger icon, the 3 horizontal bars. If I click on that, it allows me to move between the drawings. Obviously, I've only got the one open right now, which is the interface drawing. But you'll notice there when I hover over it, I can go to the Model tab, I can go to the ISO A1 Landscape tab, or the Layout 2 tab. ISO A1 Landscape and Layout 2 are layout tabs, but it allows me to go to those if I want to. I can also open a new drawing, like that, just by clicking on the plus sign. That'll open up a new blank drawing. It is unitless, that one, by the way. If I click on New, I can go and use a specific AutoCAD template. I can open an existing file, save all the drawings I've got open, or close all the drawings I've got open. Just a useful little drop-down menu. Now, you've got the equivalent down here at the bottom left as well. If I click here, this is a bit of a bigger one, and it gives me some tools where I can create a new layout tab, create a new drawing from a template, go to my page setup manager, which we'll cover later, select all the layouts, which is cool. I can select all of them. I can then publish those selected layouts using the tools to publish and plot drawings. I can dock it above the status bar or in line with the status bar. So if I dock above, what does that do? Can you see there? I've now got the ability to have a lot more tabs along here above my status bar. If I click again and go in line with the status bar, can you see I've only got that finite bit of space there for my tabs? Click on the menu again, and you'll notice there I can go to the Model tab, ISO A1 Landscape tab, like that. Click on it again. I can go to the Layout 2 tab, like so. Now, we haven't set up any title blocks or anything, but you get the idea. I can jump in and out of different sheets with different title blocks. I can also just go and click on the Model tab. That'll take me back to the Model tab where we were before. Now, these might seem like really insignificant little menus, but they just allow you to navigate that little bit quicker when you're performing a specific AutoCAD function. So up here, it's all about your drawings, like so, new drawing, open, save, etc. And down at the bottom here, it's all about navigating your tabs and your page setups and your plotting within an existing drawing that you've got open. Incredibly useful little menus that are in the 2024 and 2025 versions of AutoCAD.